Hello everyone, it's Ishini from Hyvor. So today we are going to set up a custom domain for a blog. So as you can see here, I have already created a blog called Ishini's blog and it is currently at a subdomain. We're going to change that into ishini.io. So first of all, let's go to settings and hosting. I'm choosing custom domain here and we have to type the custom domain that we're going to set up in this bar and hit save. So next we have to create an A record using a DNS provider. So I'm using Cloudflare in this case, but you can use any DNS provider as you like. So the steps I'm going to follow next will remain same for any DNS provider. So let's add a record from here. The type is A, of course. And as I'm using the root domain, I'm using @ but if you're using a subdomain like blog.ishini.io, you just have to type blog here. Let's go with @ as I'm using a root domain. So for IPv4 address, you just have to use this address, this exact address. So you can get this address from our documentation. I have put the link in the description box. So just hit save here. And yeah, the record is now created. Now our blog should work with our new custom domain. So let's check whether it is working. Shini.io. Voila! It's working now. So setting up a custom domain with Hyvor Blogs is just easy as that.